Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Coinbase yearly activities report. So here's a simple workaround for that. So if you're using the Coinbase website, just go to your browser, then go to coinbase.com and sign in into your account, which is very important. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select report or tax from the drop-down menu. Then you will be redirected to the tax center. Then under document, find your yearly activity report, which is usually labeled as tax report or transaction history report. So click download to get the PDF or CSV version for your yearly report. And if you're using the Coinbase app, just open the app and log into your account. Then tap your profile icon or the three-line menu button in the top left corner, then select tax or report. Look for your yearly activities report under document, tap download to save it to your device, and that's how you can easily find your Coinbase yearly activities report. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.